I am Dhriti Somani from Hyderabad. I am here in Amity University, Bengaluru under the Department of Biotechnology. I am with Amity Institute of Biotechnology led by Dr. Sumitra Datta and her multitude of faculty. We also have cutting-edge labs with high-tech equipment which are led again by our industry specialized professors. Alongside them, we also have our club of biotechnology called Genovate. Genovate is a biotechnology club which was recently launched to help students organize and learn more about biotechnology. Not just the students from biotechnology, but also from all around Amity University, Bengaluru. Apart from this, we also went on field trips from our department. We went to CCAMP and we also went to FNDR, which stands for Foundation for Neglected Disease and Research. This foundation and field visits helped us explore more career prospects and industry special equipment and labs. We got to see biosafety level 1, 2, 3 and even 4 over there. Coming to the teaching methods used in Amity Bengaluru, we have majorly a choice-based credit system where we have a multitude of baskets and the students can select which course they want and to an extent from which faculty they want it. We also have the undergraduate students which are from BTech and BSc Biotechnology. They write 3 CAs per semester, whereas the postgraduate students from MSc Biotechnology write 2 CAs per semester. CA stands for Continuous Assessment, which is the learning and examination method used in Amity Bengaluru. Apart from this, now the career prospects in biotechnology after MSc and after BTech Biotechnology can lead to CSIR, where you write the CSIR NET exam and you can earn a JRF through that, which is Junior Research Fellowship. Through that, you can get into a PhD or you can also join as an assistant professor. Apart from this, we also have research associate positions in a various multitude of companies. Example, Biocon, we also have Merck, and it also goes towards the medical side. Thank you.